What are you doing here? What ya do ya? Alright? What are you doing here? What you do ya? So you gotta say it kind of fast, like how they say, what ya do ya? And then you say, it is mine. And you say, affirme. Or you say, affirme things. They didn't put things, but you could say, affirme things. And you say, where are you going? Where ya go? You gotta make sure you add the deep Jamaican accent for some reason. I don't know, it just makes Jamaican sound better. Where ya go? Then you put, come back here. Come back here, sir. I don't say come back here, sir. I say, come bring yourself back, or come back. Come back here. I never said come back here, sir. But some people say it. Look here. Some say, look here. But some Jamaicans say, look here. Right? See me here. And then you say, see me here. See me here. Then look at this. Look upon this. You say, look upon this. My mother, me mother.